STATCOM is a Statistics in the Community. It's a community outreach group here at the School of Public Health that essentially takes graduate students and offers free consulting services to local non-for-profits. We do data analysis, survey writing and design. We put together data visualizations, help them understand their processes. I think people are realizing just how pervasive data is in everything that we do and the need for that to be able to communicate data and results effectively sort of across all sectors.
Food for Thought was born out of a heart for service, really. We started very simply almost 15 years ago serving peanut butter and jelly lunches to the homeless in downtown Toledo. And we have evolved into 10 mobile food pantries in and around the Toledo area. A few years ago, we were trying to expand our service and our footprint in the Toledo area, and we partnered with the University of Michigan for a STATCOM project to determine the best locations for our food pantries.
As much as this is a service for the community, it's also a way for students to gain hands-on experience working with data. So this is as much sort of to the benefit of the student as an educational opportunity as it is to the benefit the community.
I think the most important thing that students don't realize is the value placed in the non-quantitative abilities that they have. So how do you analyze a set of data in maybe a complex way and explain it to someone who maybe had algebra 20 years ago and hasn't really thought about numbers and how to interpret numbers.
To have a complete picture of the people that we serve and the data around that is not something that we as a small organization and small staff can do ourselves. So we're really looking for the help to gather that information to help us be able to compete for those grants that we so desperately need.
The students here at the School of Public Health and at the university really sort of have a innate sense to do good. And I find that it's so interesting with STATCOM that we are donating not only our time but our skill set in such a unique way.
When you have strong students who value what they're doing, my job is to keep the train on the tracks. They are the train, and it's a wonderful experience.
STATCOM has really been growing a lot here in recent years. We started primarily with the biostatistics and statistics departments. We have over 10 departments now that contribute. Pretty much all of the departments in public health, industrial and operations engineering, computer science, and a lot of the other data science programs that are across campus. So we really have a rich, diverse group of students with different perspectives to lend to projects. STATCOM provides an outlet for people who have non-traditional skills or more advanced skills to be able to actually apply those meaningfully. And so I always compare this to Doctors Without Borders or for Teach for America. We're not just donating our time, we're donating our knowledge and our skills in a productive way that helps the community and sort of better society.